Okay, it is March 5th on my 19th anniversary. The river has broken loose. You can start to see all the ice. We moved the boat out so we could put furniture in the garage. Got mattresses stacked 6 feet high in the garage, trying to keep them dry in case we flood again. I'm giving my crew a 5-minute break to come look at the water. There's my deck. If the ice went up underneath, pulled it right up. The back of the house. Pieces of ice, huge pieces of ice all over the yard. My great big driftwood that I was afraid floated away just fell over. Didn't go anywhere. Today, I found someone's recliner in my yard. I don't know who that belongs to. You can see ice jams are already forming downstream of where I'm at now. See how it's building up. Down even further, you can see how the ice is jamming up. I've been sitting here today watching debris float downstream. My jet ski lift did stay. I'm not sure if it survived or not. She's pretty bent up. My tree's okay. I have lumber in my front yard. I don't know who that belongs to. But I got ice up against the tree. If you look upstream, you can see the next tree. It's got ice all up over it. They've got ice right up to their back door. Next door. They didn't fare very well either. You can see big chunks of ice clear up. That's the front edge of my house. And the river pushed ice clear up there. Looking across, you can see ice where it stopped rising. That's right straight across from me. They've got a lot of ice right in front of their house.